Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa.
Come on.
Harasana.
All right. What is up? I'm Sean with 8-Bit, and today we have
Harasana.
And so we are back, and we're going to try to do bag 15 and 16. It's Christmas break. We've been working on a ton of these videos for the last week here, so
Yeah, we have.
we're doing. So we got the back put on, really cool. Ugh. Last video we got the back put on,
And this is when I was singing.
and did a couple other things. I'm not sure exactly where these go, but hopefully we'll get those figured out. So
Yeah, we know.
you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get to it. I'll hold it there. I'll hold it still. Good job.
What is next?
Hmm?
What is next? What is next?
That's it. Bag 15 done. So we connected them all to the belts here. So this will be pretty cool. It probably sits in there, and it'll, once we get it figured out, it'll rotate around and move Mario through the levels. Bag 15 done.
And 16. No, not 16.
Okay.
All
right. Let's do 16. right, 5. Where are you going? Get up here. No, get up here. We're not done yet.
Yes, we are.
All right, bag 16 is done. What'd you think?
Bad.
Bad?
It hurt my fingers.
It hurt his fingers. It's a lot of
A little bit.
repetitive. You know, we made 16 of the same thing over and over and over. And anybody that's made Legos, you know, you have the pins and then the slots you have to slide down on a couple. They can be tough sometimes. So, but this is really cool. This is probably going to connect inside there. It's like a belt, you know, belt driven there. So really cool design that Lego did here. To get Mario back and forth. All right, we good?
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for tuning in. Till next time, we're going to be doing, I think, bag 17 and 18. So we'll see you then.